How to see send request on Instagram. Like other applications such as Facebook, there will be different features that will help us to see send request on Instagram. But when you open Instagram app and log into your account, go to profile icon at the bottom right corner and the three line at the top right corner. On this section, we don't see any particular icon or there is no any search feature that will help us to see the send request on Instagram. So the way that will help us to see the request that we have sent on Instagram, then we can simply go to the settings and activity page. Then you can select account history under how you use Instagram, or else once you're on the settings and activity page, you simply need to select your activity. Then on this activity page, you need to scroll down and at the bottom you need to select download your information. Wait for a while and then you need to select download or transfer information button. Here you need to select your Instagram account and tap on next button. After that, you need to select some of your information and then you need to scroll all the way down here and select search option that is relatable with the send request. So under connection we can see followers and following or contacts. So you can select anyone which is suitable. So let's tap on followers and following and tap on the next button. Then here we can choose download device or transfer to destination and select next button again. And here you can select the date range, the email format and the media quality. Then select create files button. After that your information is being prepared for download. So once it has been downloaded, what you need to do is you will receive mail from Instagram. Then when you check your email, there will be the link where you can download your information. Once you have downloaded information, you will get the option of connection where you can easily download that connection file, and from there you can see the list of send requests on Instagram. If you wish to cancel the send request also, you can easily do with the help of it. So in this way we can easily see send request on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, thanks for then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.